Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. We are seeing the line inclined to both the planes. Another problem here. A line AB, 90 mm long, is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and its a top view is making an angle 60 degrees. That means here theta is given, true length is given, and beta is given. Okay, that's it. Let us see how to draw it. And A is in HP, so A dash on the reference line, 12 mm in front of VP, 12 mm in front of VP, so A dash is marked, A, okay. Next, 90 mm long, right? And its true inclination with HP is given. Assume that line is parallel to VP. We see the true length in the front view at true inclination. So at 45 degrees angle, we draw a line here, right? Which is of 90 mm length. Okay, A dash, B1 dash, we call it as. Now, this is 90. We know we get the locus of B in the front view. This is the point passing through B1. We get the locus of B in the front view. Next, drop a projector onto the top view here. Because the line is parallel to HP, parallel to VP, this in the top view, we see it's a true length. So AB1 is the top view, the length of the top view in the top view here. And the line is making 60 degrees angle with VP. So top view is making, draw a line here at 60 degrees angle, right? We have drawn, this is beta. AB, but the length is not given. Okay, the length of the line is not given in the top view, only the angle is given. We have to find where the point B is on this line. One thing is here from this position A dash B1 dash, we get the top view of this line AB1. So AB1 is nothing but the length of the line in the top view. So with the AB1 as radius, A as center, you can rotate this B1 and you get the point B here. So on this line, at 60 degrees line, we have the point B here. Once you get this, join this point AB, okay, highlight it. That is the final top view. And passing through B, draw a line that is the locus of B in the top view. Now, B and B dash must lie on the same projector. So from B, draw a projector here, and this is, we know the locus of B already drawn. So from B, you draw a projector, the intersection point is nothing but B dash. Join A dash, B dash, that is the final front view. And this angle is alpha. The angle made by this front view, here it is alpha. And of course, beta is given. We have to find phi, angle with VP. So the true length of the line is taken here. That is, true length is given, of course, 90 mm radius with A as center. Draw an arc here onto the locus of B in the top view. So this arc intersects here at a point called B2. Join AB2. That is nothing but the line is assumed parallel to HP. That means this angle here is called phi, angle with the VP. So like this, we can draw the final projections of the line. With the, just you have to indicate the data as it is. That's how we get it. So hope you had understood this topic, this problem well. If you have any queries, do send in the comments. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.